To find the right built-in accessibility features on your iPhone or iPad, you can use the Accessibility Assistant in the Shortcuts app. Here's how it works. Tap the Accessibility Assistant shortcut to run it. If it's not in My Shortcuts, you can search for it in the gallery and tap Add Shortcut. Choose a category from the list, and then choose a condition that applies to you. Tap Yes if you'd like to choose more conditions, or you can tap Done if you're finished. The first time you run a shortcut, you may be prompted for permission to continue. Tap OK if you agree. Then you can choose a category and tap another condition to select it. Once you're finished, tap Done. And when you're prompted for permission to access notes, tap OK if you agree. After the shortcut runs, the Notes app will launch with a list of accessibility features that you might find helpful, plus resources to help get you started. You can refer back to the note anytime or revisit the shortcut whenever you like. Find what works for you.